Desperate.
Real desperate. His feet were swollen because he was going on a mile.
Yeah, and then you'd swear once you got it started.
Philosophy always was a poor writer better than any good walking town. So that other six-pack of cans in there. Which of the ones got the most ice?
I already looked at it. It's all gone, huh?
I think I got the last one.
No problem.
That was good. I will tell you, that one's good. They even had John Wayne doing the Pledge of Allegiance. They even had him tape doing that.
Oh.
And at first it sounded like, I could have swore it was Nixon, you know? Marley's going, who is that? I'm going, it sounds just like Nixon, you know? And she's going, no, and then he starts getting off in the Pilgrim voice, you know? I said, no, that's Wayne.
400 years ago today.
Our poor.
Oh, we're going to cut them off.
It was a good show. I didn't much care for the choir. The band was pretty good, but the choir I didn't like. Too much of that pie operetta, you know.
Don't scream at me.
Can't hang with that. And they're doing it with microphones. That's even worse.
Sound man's supposed to kill us if I run the game back.
They're supposed to mix it.
They're going to do that.
If they mix it right, it doesn't sound right.
Well, big ones, they got a scale on them about that big one.
Hell yeah.
We force the tune down so it's in. Just right in the middle, bouncing up and down.
I'm blowing up that Statue of Liberty and this woman's doing her song. Well, the thing was taking its time going up, you know.
Punctuating.
So she's like, you know, and she's singing along. I was just stop and sit there and look at it. Put the microphone down.
No, Dolly, sing the song.
You're supposed to go with the song as it was blowing up.
Yeah, she have a band behind it?
Huh?
Did she have a band behind it?
Yeah, the college
The
band.
band was confused. What the hell is she doing?
No, they kept going.
The
They
band
kept
was
going.
Where's she going? Where's she going?
Oh,
She's
she's
shooting
waiting
on
on
the highball.
She's waiting on that thing to blow up.
Is that today?
It's last night.
Oh, down there.
College. You're waiting. The arm wouldn't go up, you know, and this dude's up there pushing his arm. Go, man, go. The head's going like this.
Oh, was it blow up, guys?
50 feet.
Sorry, I go for one of those. Silly,
I didn't think they had enough wind in it.
It was a low budget operation.
Yeah.
They had 4 tie lines, right? 6 guys on each tie line. One guy, you know, 2 guys on this side pull, the other guy's going. The other guy's pulling, the other guy's like, he's like tug of war back and forth, 4 directions. And they got blown up. They went out there with these big ass stakes, drove them to the ground, tied her up.
What we gotta do is get this stuff organized.
That wheel though was heavy. I've never seen that before. That dude was crazy. Parachutes. Parachutes?
Parachuting.
Yeah, I read that today.
I saw him. They did that down at Anaheim Stadium.
No, pretty good show. Alright, it's starting to get thick.
Yep.
No, don't know. Quick, kill them. Smoke motors.
You got this, remember when Cagney did Yankee Doodle Dandy? You know, this guy named Bill Rock, I think his name was. He's up there and just, I lived in part of it, I said, you ever see Cagney do that much? He says, no, I said, he does a poor impression of Cagney.
They had it on last night.
Did they? I wish I had seen that.
Yankee Doodle Dandy.
Oh, he was before.
Yeah, he was neat on it. He got him the Academy Award, yeah?
Yeah. I rent that tape. I like that one though.
Then you told him getting on your ass?
Oh yeah. Landlord came up and opened it up. some dude out there that was a veteran from the First and Second World War. I was looking all over because you could hear him talking, but I couldn't see where he was at. All I see this dude standing down there in his blue suit. And he's got the brace to hold him up. I think it was when he started to walk off, you know. Because he's got braces. I said, well, he went through the First and Second World War too. I said, you'd be lucky if you made it out with braces or legs.
Surprised he didn't get arrested the first time. I don't think I want any return engagements on this case. You know, there was 10 million guys killed in the First World War. 10 million.
That's both sides or just one?
Both sides. But 10 million people. And we think it was bad saying, there's Korea and the Second World War. I think it was something like 1.3 million